Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where it says file too large for Notepad or Notepad++ to open, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution, but before that, let me explain the problem. So earlier, Notepad was a primary text editor, but it can only open text. It cannot open images or files with video files and other sort of formatting. The reason that it still exists is because a lot of coding is done through it, and it is very important for coding and HTML and all of that. So if a file is too big for Notepad, what is the next thing that you can open it in? It is WordPad, and WordPad has been removed by Microsoft, so you do not have that option. Now, here's the third thing. If you have Microsoft Word, the paid version, you can search for it and open that file in Microsoft Word. But let us say that you don't have that either. Then what can you do? In this case, search for store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Okay. And now in the Microsoft Store, you can search for Word Editor. Okay. And hit enter. Okay, you'll find a lot of free word editors here. You can pick any one of these which you think is reliable. Now, the reason that I was selecting WPS Office is because it has a much higher reliability rating. So this is what you can use, or you can simply type the word WordPad here. Okay, and hit enter. Now you won't find WordPad here because it has been removed, but you will find a lot of similar word editors which are absolutely free of cost. So you can use any of these editors according to your requirements. I mean, whichever you prefer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.